Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Audi A4 Avant on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you can also see we have reversing sensors. This car has a 360 parking camera, which I'll show you when we're inside the car. And as you can see, plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see not only the bodywork, but the alloy wheels also are all in fantastic condition. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. And in the middle, you can see the trip computer, which includes the total miles. That are 18,599. Out to the steering wheel next, we have, on the left-hand side, controls for the main trip computer, so you can change information up there. And over on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls. We have cruise control and speed limiter on the stalk underneath here. So out onto the main screen, you can see all of the different options available to you in this car, including, of course, radio and media. So under the radio heading, you can listen to DAB, FM and AM radio, as you can see. You can change your source here, so you can change to AM, for example, FM and DAB as well. If we come back to the home screen, to listen to your own music, you go to the media heading. Under the media heading, source again up in that top right hand corner, and you can see we have USB input. You can connect an external device, i.e. your phone, in order that you can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, as an example. You can pair your phone from here, which is very easy to do. Just follow the instructions on screen. And of course, this car has got satellite navigation as well. Really nice, clear color display, very easy system to use. And if we put the car into reverse, a full 360 camera. So the bird's eye view image of where the car is parked right now. And there we have our reversing camera, as you can see. So it does make it incredibly easy to park this car. Below that, we have the climate control. So you can adjust the driver temperature, the passenger temperature, the fan speed in the middle here. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed for the driver and for the passenger separately. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning to eco. You can turn it on. You see it says 3 zone here. That's because you can independently set the rear temperature as well. Or after turning the air conditioning on, leave it like this if you like, all your own manual settings, but you can press the auto button for the passenger, for the driver, and the car will take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Any manual adjustment, you'll see auto has now gone off. We have a heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings, and we have the same over here for the passenger side as well. Underneath that, we can turn the screen off, the main screen, should you wish to do that. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. This car has autonomous parking. So you can see there on the screen, it will give you instructions as to what to do. The car will take control of the steering for you. You can turn that off whenever you wish to. We have traction control you can turn on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. You can change the drive select for the vehicle as well. So you're able to put the car into comfort, individual, dynamic or auto using these buttons just here. We have the start and stop button for the engine. You just need to make sure the key is in the car with you. Hit that button to start it, same button to stop it, of course. We have our USB input and a 12-volt charging socket, and then 2 cup holders just here. And lastly, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. So reverse, neutral, park, which is what we're in at the minute, and that's that button there. Drive and sport mode. The volume for the stereo, and then an electronic handbrake, which has got an auto hold function just there as well. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we hold for this car. So you can see there the V5 registration document, 2 keys for the car. The V5 shows this vehicle has had 1 owner from new, and there we have the Audi service record to show that the next service isn't due until 2026. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live video walk around of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.